Hello guys, this is my first appearance to live in you. Yeah, it's time for financial time. I'm sorry, because I'm little hiatus and boring about music. So I want to add playlist about investing because I am grateful to you all. You you have you like about our music and we compounding our revenue to the US stock. So now let's talk about stock. Yeah. The first is Vernova, why Wall Street is split into record order and then rise dividend and rise revenue, but dropping about earning. Music is still stay. Investing start today. Episode 1 of a real investing series running right alongside the remix on this channel. Revenue of Vernova is up to 11.1 billion. It's around 2022% year over year ahead of estimate. Analyst estimate is beat, revenue come, but the earning is dropping. Why will the market punish a company for good news? This is what we unpack today, including the part of my own thesis I am least comfortable with. 11 US stock, live price, live bag, nothing hidden. You can come to Rais Firdaus says github.io/ my portfolio website to educate and see about my holding, the position in the red one and the green one. This is not financial advice, just me things out loud in public and trying to get better at this. Do your own research before any investing decision. What actually happened? In July 2022, the announcement the drop, but the capacity target is up around 30 annual gas turbine manufacturing capacity from the previous target is 24 by 2028, but market reaction is punish dropping 6.4% in some days. But never mind for me because Vernova is one of the company that useful in the people. Zoom out is about revenue is up from 9.1 billion to 11.1 billion in the quarter 2 2026. Free cash flow is brilliant. It's about up from 0.5 to 5.1 billion. So it's rise twice in 2026. And so I still holding and believe in the long term. Morgan Stanley reaction is the next trading day, the opposite move and still believe and improve the target from analyst David Arcaro from 1,000.250 to 1,000.350. Rating overweight still unchanged. Keep track the sell off is rate knee jerk overreaction. On a drop, he put a drop roughly 9% intraday. Yes. And the market changed its mind within 2024 hours. Share price 1,028.86 in one season is improved to 4.45%. Year to date is still good for your investment around 50%. And the real debate about the 30 GW number, one figure to complexity, the capacity of the demand order book is improved from the Vernova, from the many and other corporation to 30 and 125 by end 2026, and oversupply risk is running to 2032 plus push. Yeah, there is bull case and bear case about Vernova. Demand got the first demand signal this quarter push the oversupply risk out to 2032 or beyond. The order book already shows real demand catching up the new capacity, but oversupply is coming. More capacity online usually signal to many turbine chasing to few hours. that eventually pressures pricing, most likely what about drop about the earning. The evidence is still belief and optimistic in the quarter 2 cash control is improved from the 10 to the 20 actual, and trailing 12 months is 77 new contract, and book to bill is twice, yeah, 2.5 order versus shipment, signaling 2.5 more work than it delivers. You don't sell out your future capacity because Vernova is demand is sold out until 2029. The higher 2029 turbine capacity is fully committed to it. And number 2 is 2030 sell out by year end, expected to fill before the new capacity is even filled. And third is half of 2031 commit already booked at the higher 30 annual run rate, and around 30,000 kilowatt is very good. And the other side, gas versus wind, the earning per share, I know it's dropping around to 22% below, and the wind order is dropping 40% year over year, but the revenue is still good. Yeah, although earning is not good because like the Google, yeah, he improved the CapEx, yeah, but the revenue is still good. Yeah, it's good company. Maybe good company must improve the model of AI, yeah, because the data center is must be large. So maybe it's a little drop in the earning, but the revenue is still good. Yeah, Vernova. And the guidance rise for the second time despite the earning miss. Management lift the outlook again. Revenue guidance is improved to 46 billion plus 1 billion midpoint. Free cash flow is improved from the 7 billion to 12 billion in the now, and rise this year twice second rise. Both revenue and cash flow lift again. Yeah. It's still good company for me, so I'm holding and I'm add more, yeah, of Vernova. And then key to free cash flow is improved 5.1 billion in one quarter versus all of 2025 is more in 3 months. Where it come from? From deposit 2030 and 2031 slots. Customer paying now for turbines later. And Wall Street is still split. Yeah, like Citi is dropping the target, but the Morgan Stanley is overweight the target to 1,350. The sell of a significant Overreaction lift revenue and EBITDA projection by 8 billion and 2 billion again its prior model. But the Citi is a little drop from 1,219 to 1,225. Yeah, and still the current price now is below the Citi and Morgan Stanley prediction is around 900 to 1,028.860 is still good, yeah, for me to you to invest the Vernova. And then the AI and data center angel is very important, where a turbine and grid company and many AI company is need largest data center order, and Vernova is one of the company that sell out order because this is largest manufacturing, yeah, from the G, yeah, from the G company. So it's belief from many company. What has to go right before the bullish 1,350 case? You must checklist the first win-loss narrow, not keeping widening when offset much of the strength this quarter. And the second is 30 GW get boiled. physically by 2030 without major cost overruns. Backlog is improved, contract tune in shifts revenue on schedule, and pricing halt above 2000 per kilowatt is improved. Next text point, you must remember in December 2026, management expect refresh it 2028 and 2030 guidance there that because there is tariff cost and many things. My own position, the honest part is where Vernova actually is my second largest position after Micron Technology of our holding company. So I still believe other Mastercard, AbbVie, Visa, and Johnson & Johnson, and 5 more holding is Valero, P&G, Jill, Monster, and Coca-Cola. Highest growth, highest valuation, watch most closely. Very different from the defense name I usually land on, Mastercard, Visa, AbbVie, Coca-Cola. I hold it for the electrification and grid build-out megatrend behind AI power demand. So I still believe because AI demand and AI power demand is both data center and backlog. So Vernova is still including the right one and still good for me. You can check in Raiswirdaus size.github.io, my portfolio website. And bottom line, where things stand and what I'm watching next. Where it stand today is price 1028 below both targets, closer the Citi number than Morgan Stanley. Next result, you must pay attention in when and orders. Investor Day at December 2028 until 2030 quite. Management reference is long term. None of this is a buy or sell recommendation. This is my own research and my own opinion. For educational purpose only, always do your own research before making any investing decision. Subscribe and follow the new investing playlist, Raiswirdaus size.github.io/my portfolio website. Full live breakdown of all 11 holding, wake and price reasoning, quick update whenever a position change on Instagram and many platforms. See you in the next time from 11 core holding. Everything in the video is my own research and personal opinion for education purpose only, not financial advice, not a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Okay, in the last, why I hold and add Vernova, because Vernova is one of the useful company for many people. Yeah, like in the Asian, maybe in the Malaysian, Vietnam, and in Indonesian is use Vernova. If I'm not mistaken, you can see in their website. And South American and United States is use Vernova, and in the Europe is use Vernova. So for me, the company that held by large people and useful for other people is good. Like you need shampoo for your tech bath. So I choose P&G company because if many and most people is buy that product, so the company is grow the revenue and believe it many people and useful. Yeah. Understand my fundamental. Yeah. Like if you need drinking, so one of them is like Coca-Cola maybe, yeah, or in the Europe you can choose like Danone or like Unilever. Yeah, it's still good for me. Yeah, and like medicine, AbbVie and Gild is still good because the company is useful for other people. It good fundamental. So if there is corona again, the company that still use in that case like war, like coronavirus, yeah, is not dropping and maybe still halt and improve the revenue. Thank you for the first time about the new playlist, and wait for our new music again. Bye bye.